Hello everyone, this is the demonstration video of the course project for the 653 ECE-653 course project, which is about the photo sharing album or photo sharing application. The main folder, which is called photo sharing project, includes all of these files. The main file is the index.html. There is the front end and the back end files to describe all the components. Also, there are photos that are describing all the steps of using this application. In order to operate this application, we need to operate two servers, the one for the back end and one for the front end servers. For the back end server, we just need to go inside the back end folder by just going to desktop and going to the photo sharing album, and then just going to the back end, and from there we can just operate the backend server by npm update and then node index.js. This will just operate the photo album.json. This is just like initialize the photo album or the photo sharing places to empty because we didn't upload any photos yet. After that, we can go and operate the front end server because we are just simulating the entire project inside our PC. So this could be like, this is the back end which should be in the remote server, and this is the front end that is supposed to be in the user devices. We also just go to the desktop and to the photo sharing, and from there we just HTTP server, which will operate the server for us in the local host, like 1727001 on this port. Then we go and create a new window, and we just go to the local host and this one. Sorry, this was from the last time, just logging out. So this is the main page that we get. This is the course project of this ECE-653 photo sharing application. This is the project that was done by Mustafa, Aljumaily and Zhao. We can log in directly, or we can go to the registration page. From the registration, we can say, for example, this username, the username will be, for example, and the password, this one. We just hit register, and then we get registration successful. We can also register other user, for example, and also hit register. Also registration successful. Then we can go to, directly and log in by hitting Mustafa 12345. We just log into the server. Now also we get these information about the application telling us, hi Mustafa, this is the username that is logging in right now, and all the registered users are listed here, which we can also delete all the other users. This is not good for security, of course, but it is just to demonstrate all the registered users right now. We can also log out and go to the previous picture or page, or we can go just directly to the albums. To the albums also we get the information of the project, and from here we can create a new album. We just like give the title, which is, for example, first album. The description is, this is the first album, or something, anything else. This is just the description to be used in the name of the album. Let's say first, and now if we hit OK, we get an error because we didn't put the date. All of these fields should be input because they are required. Any one of them is not input, we will get an error message. And even if we put, like, for example, anything like this, it will be accepted. Then we can add files to that album, and from here we just hit choose files. Then we just go, for example, to the pictures, we just bring any number of pictures that we want, and we can add them to our album of pictures. We just hit OK, and then we see that all of the pictures with their name, the size, the description, and the upload progress. We can remove them, we can do anything of them. For the description, we used either private or public. For example, private for this one, and public for the others. Any picture that we don't specify its description as private or public will be just by default considered as public. Then we just upload all, and we see that upload progress is 100%, all of them. Then we can go back to the albums, we can remove all of them, we can remove any of these pictures. We see that all of these things. Also, we can add other pictures for the same folder. For example, this one or this one. We can also hit OK, and then we see that now also we can describe the description of these pictures. We can remove them, and we can also upload all. We see that the upload progress is 100% for all of them. We can go back to the albums, and we can just continue uploading pictures and see them. The only problem that we have right now is that we didn't implement the private public feature, so all the users are now capable of seeing all the pictures, because there is no limitation for the private and public part of it, and this is due to the limited amount of time and our limited knowledge of this AngularJS and Node.js frameworks. So this is all what we have right now. Thank you, and that's it. Thank you.